How's it going guys? How are you all? My name is Dhat and welcome back to another video of Technology. So guys, in today's episode, I'm going to tell you that how can you log in your GitHub account and how can you upload your code there. So guys, the most necessary in this video is to know how to do coding. And if you want to know that how to do coding, you can go to my other videos and I'm going to give the link in the description so you can go to my other videos and you can learn better in way to how to run the coding. So guys, let's get started with our today's topic. So guys, our first agenda will be that how to log in our own GitHub account. If you want to upload me the video that how to create a GitHub account, I want 50 likes on this video and the video will be there straight away on your notification. So guys, here first of all, we are going to type GitHub directly. After typing this, we are going to go through this processes and here I have to search this link. This link can be any other position on your Chrome or your browser. So you can use any browser for this. You can also use Microsoft Edge. So I am going to also tell that how to do this with Microsoft Edge. So first of all, I am going to log out my account, which is already signed in. So I am going to sign out it. Now I have to sign up. If you want to know that how to sign up your account, I want 50 likes on this video. And now I am going to tell you that how can you upload your or can you log in your account. So you have to click on sign in option and here you have to use your Gmail which has been used to create your account. So I am going to use my Gmail and after that I am going to write my password and I am going to directly sign in. And you can see my account is here. I have signed in my account. My account is here Siddharth FF4 and here are all the repositories which have been uploaded by me in any way. So guys, so let's get started with our next agenda, which is how to upload your code on your GitHub account. So it is very easy step. First of all, you have to click on this option plus option and guys, this is somewhere changed in our GitHub that there are some type of project in any other site, social media sites, but here are some verified terms as repository to upload your project on your GitHub account. So you have to click on new repository and you will have to give a title for your repository. So I am going to give it Techno Legends. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I am going to use Techno Legend and here I am going to give a description for that how to make a repository. Okay, then don't go from spellings. Okay. Now you can use any option according to your imaginations. You can also use public and you can also use private. I have used public for that and after that you have to click on add a redim file and after that you have to click on create repository. You can also use ignore and license, but I am using repository for redim files. And after that, how to upload your code here. So for that you need your code anywhere. So you can see my code is here. All the codes are here. So I am going to upload boilerplate here, and I am going to go on my Chrome. And here I am going to click on add file, and here you have to click on upload files. After clicking on this upload file, this type of page will be there. I am going to take a screenshot of this. After that you have to click on choose your files and after that you have to select your files which is on your desktop, which is your boilerplate, and I am going to select all these files here. Okay, all these files are I am going to give a smaller size. Okay, all the files are here. So I am going to click on open and now you can see after scrolling that all the files are being uploaded here directly. So there are in the total 14 files. Guys, you can see all the files have been uploaded directly here and after that you have to go scroll down and you have to click on commit changes. So it will save your changes and after that it being loaded here. So guys, you can see my file is being uploaded here. All the files are here, and now our process is not completed till yet only. So this is our Angry Birds stage 2. I have completed my Angry Bird game from here only, and after that you have to click on settings option, and you need a good network for that, so it will help you. You should need a router connection for that. So after that you have to click on, you have to scroll down and you have to go to GitHub pages, and here you have to click on none and you have to select main. After that you have to save it, and it will again take you to up settings, and you have to scroll down and you have to go to GitHub pages, and your link is being generated. And the most important helpful thing from the GitHub is that it generates a link for you, which will be helpful for you to share it to your families and friends, and they can directly use your code or your built websites. So for knowing how to create your code or websites, you can directly go through my other videos. And if you want to know that how to create your own GitHub account, you have to give 50 likes on this video, guys, and the video will be there on your screen. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video, and please complete my 50 subscribers so that I can also give you the subscribers of 100. And after that, guys, my most important target is, so guys, the step is that I have created my Discord server, and I'm going to give the link in the description, and only one member has joined yet, which is my friend. So you can join at my Discord server, and you can ask me questions here. I'm going to answer all the questions, and you will get the solution as fast as it possible. So guys, please join my Discord, and please complete my as much as good number of members. So let me go to my Discord, and let me go to this also, and so guys, please complete my 50 subscribers. The target is to complete 50 subscribers. Give on this video 50 likes. Join my Discord channel. Share this video as much as possible. And don't forget to click on notification bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my videos on your mobile. So guys, if you like this video, I am not going to say this again and again. So guys, till that, bye bye, tata, see you by Technology Gents.